All right, guys, this is Mr. H. I am doing question number 12 from the August 2026 Algebra 1 Regents exam. Recently, they've started putting more conversion questions where you actually have to do a conversion. Normally, they used to they would do the conversion for you, or they would give you some choices, and you were supposed to select the one that was actually the correct conversion. So you didn't actually have to do the conversion, just to identify which one was correct. Now, in the August exam and also in the June exam, they actually gave you um, problems where you actually had to do conversion. So I'm going to show you how to do this kind of algebraically because there's a little base, and then I'm going to show you how to use the calculator too. I'm going to combine these. So let me go get this real quick. I had already kind of set this up, so let me set this up. So it says that a cookie recipe requires 1 3/4 cups of flour to make 25 cookies. But using the same recipe, how many ounces of flour are we going to need to make 75 cookies? So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to do a very basic conversion, and I just need to find out how many cups do we need in order to make 75 cookies, and then I'm going to take that and I'm going to convert it to ounces. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. Now, here's the key. Like, if you can come up with this proportion, you can, and you should be able to solve it algebraically, but at this point, we're just going to let the calculator take over. So I'm going to do, here, I'm going to do menu 36. I'm going to use insolve, and I'm just going to go control divide. I'm going to put 1 plus, because there is no mixed number. So I'm just going to do 1 3/4 here, and then I'm going to go down and say X down here, and then I'm going to go over, and this is going to be equals, and then I'm going to do another stack fraction. Over here, we have 25 cookies on top, and we want to know how many cups are required to make 75 cookies. I put comma here, and then I'm trying to solve for X, and then I press enter. So it says 5.25. So I can come here, and I can say 5.25 cups of flour. Now, how many ounces is this going to be? Well, actually, you would just take this number and multiply it times 8. So watch, I'm going to go times 8. Because 1 cup is 8 ounces, so 5 cups is going to be 5 times 8, and then a quarter is going to be a quarter times 8. So I'm just doing all that in one step. So it's going to be 42 ounces. Okay, so the answer for this one is 4. Now, what I want to show you is that the calculator will also help you do this. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to, I'm going to put this in parentheses because I want this one number. I'm going to go 1 plus 3/4, since the Inspire doesn't have mixed fractions, right? And then what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go, because they have conversion, they have a conversion assistant that will help you convert almost any unit to another unit. So watch, I'm going to press the book, and it says conversion center, conversion assistance. So normally it would be here, just go over to conversion assistant, press that, and then it's going to give you some categories. Well, we are looking for cups, ounces, right? So what we need here is we're going to be looking for, what is it? Let's go down. We're looking for volume, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to say we need to find cups. So let's see what we got here. Here it is, cups. And then we're going to convert it to ounces. So let's go find ounces. Where are the ounces? It's right here. We're using the fluid ounces, which are US, and then we press OK. And now you see this. So it's saying 1 3/4 cups converts to how many fluid ounces, and we press enter, and we get 14. So this is how many ounces we need for 25 cookies. If we want to make 75 cookies, we would simply multiply this times 3, since 75 is 3 times higher than 25. So we would just say times 3, and we would also get 42. So you can definitely use the calculator. I don't think many teachers teach this. We all try to teach the conversion the traditional way, but this calculator can basically do a lot of things. So I'm showing my students, and now that I see that the Regents is actually going to more conversions, I'm going to show them this piece as well. But the answer for this one is 42. And that's it. So we got about 5 minutes. I did 5 minutes. I hope this has been helpful. Just know, anytime you get a conversion, you have to do it. The calculator can help you almost any time, especially the one that they did in June. I had never heard of a rod before. That was the one that was in the June exam. But this calculator also has the unit of rods, so you could have used it on that. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this.